Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys today. As you can see here, it's from Hard-Headed Veterans. If you know what that company is, I'm sure you have a pretty good idea of what's in the box. Alright guys, so everything's out of the packaging. As you can see here, first and foremost, we have a high cut helmet from Hard-Headed Veterans. This is a size medium in Coyote Tan. And then on top for a cover, I have a multi-cam mesh cover. So the reason I got this is I've always wanted to get a newer helmet. I had an ops core when I was in the service, but the problem was I was kind of abusive with it in the terms that like I didn't really take care of it as much as I should have. So with Kevlars or helmets or whatever, especially if they're like bulletproof or NIJ rated, whatever you want to call it, you need to be careful with them because if you drop them or whatever, that can produce cracking that you don't see on the outside all the time. Sometimes it could be inside, and that's no bueno because if you get hit for whatever reason, the helmet could fail for that reason alone, and that means you're not protected. So for example, like pre-deployment, the Kevlars that we got issued, they would put them through an X-ray machine. If they found any signs of cracking at all, then they would immediately get replaced with a new one. So yeah, so here is the medium. I measured this while I was away, and this is a high cut, so you have your rails here. These are M-LOK. I know a lot of them are transitioning over to M-LOK, and some still have the regular Picatinis, but you can have your ear pro hanging from here from cups or whatever. Looks like here's your magnet for your chin strap. Pull, yep, there it is. And then nice little click. You have a appears to be a pouch, and then looks like some, I don't know what this is. Oh, so this is just extra padding, and then you have your standard padding in here, and you could swap this out. You can see right here, there is your Velcro, and then it just gets put on like that. But overall, looks really good. Lots of Velcro attachments and some non-Velcro, so you can put tape on here. I know sometimes breachers, they'll put tape on here just because sometimes doors or whatever they might be breaching could be a little bit dusty, and then that tape or glue won't stick on, so they'll have their own tape on here and they'll run it naked without any cover and whatnot. But for my purposes, I'm going to be using a cover. And also, as you can see here, you have what looks like some sort of NVG mount. Don't know which one this is off the top of my head. I know we used to have those giant Rhino plates, but as time goes on, things seem to get smaller and lighter and more efficient. But overall, looks pretty good. This is a size medium. When I measured my head, I used an iPhone cable, and it was kind of unorthodox, but it got the job done, and this fits me perfectly. So all in all, this whole setup, so the Kevlar and the cover cost $622. A little bit on the more valuable side in the term of ballistic helmets that are out on the market right now. I think if I went to get an ops core, like the one I used to have, would probably be like, I want to say $2,000 to $3,000, depending on what options it has, whether it's a regular cut, full high cut like this, and whatnot. But also installing the mesh cover was super easy. So you just remove your pads here and you kind of stretch it out, and you got your straps for your mesh cover. You just tuck them in underneath, like as you can see right there. And you do that for the front and the back. Make sure that you take these two straps off, and then you just put the big hole over the front. But yeah, all in all, I think it's a pretty good value purchase. And please comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see next, and stay safe.